No sound on your Windows PC? You're seeing no audio device installed or no output device found. It's a common Windows 10/11 issue, and it can break all your audio. But the fix is simple and only takes a few steps to bring your sound back. So let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Check Windows Audio Service. Click on the Windows search bar below. After that, type Services and hit Enter. Here, press W to go to the W word section. Scroll down, find the service named Windows Audio. Double-click on it. Make sure the startup type is set to Automatic and the service status is running. If it's not, click Start, then click Apply, and then click OK. Solution 2. Update audio drivers. Now right-click on the Windows icon and select Settings. Go to Windows Update and Advanced Options. And find Optional Updates. Look for any audio-related updates, especially for Realtek. Or if you see driver updates available there, click on Download and Install. It's also recommended to update your operating system. Restart your PC after the update and check if the issue is resolved. Solution 3. Check Device Manager for audio devices. Now, again, right-click on the Windows icon. This time, select Device Manager. Double-click on Audio Input and Output. Here you will get Speaker option Realtek or High Definition Audio Device or something else. Right-click on it. Make sure it's enabled. If it's disabled, click Enable Device. Again, right-click on it and select Update Driver. Then choose Search Automatically for updated drivers. After that, scroll down, double-click on Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, and repeat the same process. So that's all for today, guys. These are the best and most effective solutions to fix the no audio device installed problem on your Windows 10 and Windows 11 computers. I hope the video helped you out. If it did, then make sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comment section which method worked for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.